Hello everyone, it's Jen from Jen DeBell Designs and Country Craft Creations today. Today I'm super excited to show you what is in the Country Craft Creations February Seasons of Creativity package. This is a subscription, if you're not familiar, that Country Craft Creations started a year ago. And what it is you get anywhere from 3 to 4 projects. Everything that you need for those is in this kit, and it is a subscription that's sent out every 4 months on the 10th of the month in February, June, and October. And this will be the February box, and I just want to dive in and show you what's in here. I'm super excited to do this for the first time. So what you get is all the same things that I have here. And we're going to pull this all out. And I'm going to move all this tissue paper. And there is still availability for this, I do believe. So I will link it below if you're not familiar with the subscription box, so that you have that. So this is all the goodies that is in this one. And you get exclusive tutorials, content, cut guides, as well as a private Facebook group where you can go and ask questions, ask the designers questions about their specific projects, and it is all exclusive to the subscription. So the first thing that I want to show you is what is called the Grab and Go. Now, the Grab and Go is in every kit. And all of them have some sort of container. These are meant for you to be able to just grab, put what you need inside, and go to a crop, whatever you want to do. This month is in this super fun plastic sleeve that is, what do they call this? Accordioned, so that you have extra room for it to expand. And it is from Generations Craft Keepers, 12 by 12. It has a snap closure. It's acid-free, made from durable polypropylene. And there are 2 snap closures. So if you wanted this to be a little tighter, you put it down here. If you need it a little looser, you put it there. So let's dive into what is inside of your Grab and Go. And also all of the Seasons of Creativity boxes have some sort of tool or extra. Sometimes there's dies, sometimes there's crafty scissors. This time we have this fun, excuse the noise, Nuvo Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive Clear Drying Craft Glue. And I will be using this in my project in some different areas. Super fun. This is also a really good alternative to glues that, such as art glitter, that can be shipped in the winter, because this can. And it comes in this adorable little bottle. Like, how could you not love that? So, next up, what's inside that Grab and Go? Like I said, the Grab and Go is meant for you to put it in this, what you need in this fun little package, and go. So inside here, and Sandy, it was the designer that will be working with the Grab and Go. And let's see what we have in here. We have some little birdie flowers, and these are glittered, which are really pretty. And I will tell you, these can be used throughout the projects. Like, there's so many in here. You can make several projects with your Grab and Go. You could put these on other projects in there. You do get 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 9 roses in this pack, so that's quite a bit. And then there's these fun little birdie. Jen can't talk today. Chipboard pieces. These little window seals and a little banner. Very, very cute. And then inside the cute little polka dotted package are this fun burlap trim, along with this also fun twine, and these adorable little, oh, these are cute, little charms that look like houses. And that goes great with the collection that's in this kit, which is from Echo Park. And it is the Good to Be Home collection. Just going to seal this up. And I am going to grab a box cutter so I can go through this with you. So you can see all the cute little papers that are in here. It's an adorable collection. Just look at that little suns or actually it's not suns, it's sunflowers. I got some stripes. These fun little sayings. It's a red stripe there. It's kind of a rusty red. Oh, look at the KitchenAid mixer. Cooking up something good, it says. Little houses. Just adorable. And like I said, the designer working with this collection will be Sandy. And then, along with that, you have some of the Daffodil My Colors, which has the little dots on it. Super cute. And also some white cardstock. Several sheets of that. So, super fun project in the works, I know, for that. Sandy makes some adorable things, so I am sure she has something great going. I'm just going to put all this back in this bag and move on to this fun one. Now, this is Simple Stories Color Vibe 12-month memory calendar kit, a year full of memories. And this is what Tamara's going to be working with. And this is actually going to be done in 2 parts, which is super exciting. So she's going to do part of it with this Seasons of Creativity for February, and then she's going to do the rest in June. So, super fun. And also, inside of this is another little fun tool that I mentioned tools at the beginning. This little page template has 2 3x4s and a 4x6. Super fun, and it helps you. You can use this to make your layouts. As you can see, they did on the back here. Really, really cool little tool. And you could use this in mini albums too. If you really wanted to see where a 3x4 was going to go on an album, you could use that. And I will try to use this with my project, or maybe with a bonus project, which I did forget to mention. A lot of the designers will be doing a bonus project with their leftovers and their scraps, so you'll want to stay tuned for those as well. So this calendar collection, with it, we also have textured cardstock in Flamingo, which has dots on one side and is plain on the other. Dandelion, again, dots and plain. Beautiful, vivid colors. Blush. Mint, which is my go-to color. It's the whole color of my craft room. Love it. And there are 2 of the teal here. And now let's dive into the calendar itself. See how it shows all these fun little layouts? And this is what you would use that template for. So, with this, I'm trying to figure out how to open this. It's not cooperating. Here we go. So, you have all of your days of the week. Or days of the week. Wow. Months in there. And then there's also stickers. Look at that. Look at all these stickers in here. Some more stickers with, these are themed for all of the holidays. These are ephemera that pop out. They are pre-cut, laser cut for you. Fun stuff. I'm going to slip this all back together neatly as I can. And we will look at, I'm saving mine for last, we will look at the kit that Michelle is going to be working with. And this is the Friendship Card Kit by Photoplay. Look at all these fun cards. Not sure what she's making yet, but I'm going to assume that she will do something super fun. So inside this kit, you have all of these fun elements. And it looks like there are 2 sheets of that. You have some card blanks. These are, I need to grab my ruler. These are, I believe, 4 by 6s. No, I'm wrong. They're 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 cards. Okay. So then you have some more. Really, I love the color pop in this. It's really pretty. Can't wait to see what Michelle does with this. And then on the back, we have phones. I don't think I showed you the back of this one. Or this one. Jen's just rushing through. But then she's got some lightweight chipboard and some white cardstock. And then in her fun little goodie bag, as all of these seem to have, except for the calendar one, we have some white seam binding and this really pretty, I hope you can see this, it's got like dots, blue ribbon. So, let me stick that back in the bag. And finally, last but not least, we have Photoplay's Midnight Garden, which is my kit. And I already have started mine. And I can tell you this paper was so nice to work with. Just a very romantic, pretty collection. And in my little fancy bag here, I love these little polka dotted bags. And I might actually use mine in an extra project. I just thought of that. I have the khaki seam binding and the navy twine. All right, put that aside. And in the Midnight Garden kit, which I'm working with, we have my colors 8.5 by 11 of Velvet Night, this really pretty blue. The white 65-pound smooth matte. This is great for matting. The sticker sheet, gorgeous, just gorgeous. Love it all. And then, of course, 2 sheets each of the paper. So we have Magic Moment, which is this gorgeous plaid. When you flip it over, it's kind of a wash of purple, what looks to be poppies. And then we have Dreamy Floral, which is, I think these might be flipped. This is probably considered the A side. And then you have that gorgeous kind of watercolor look again. Bold Floral. Nice dark romantic flowers there. And then on the back, this gorgeous light color. Again, Jen can't talk. Beautiful Butterflies is definitely flipped because this is going to be right. Look at that, so pretty. This and that. This is going to be a bunch of different sized cut aparts. And then on the back is this gorgeousness. Super fun. And then Follow Your Heart is the last one in here, and it is your mostly 3x4s, and then there's 2 4x6s in here as well. And on the back you have this gorgeous red paper. So that is my unboxing for the February Seasons of Creativity kit subscription. And if, like I said, if you're not familiar with it, it's a wonderful, wonderful thing. And like I said, you get exclusive content to tutorials, a Facebook group that is private, full cut guides, everything you need to make the projects in here, along with some bonus projects. So if you have not heard of it before, click the link below and check it out. That's all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you do this box. Super fun. And I can't wait to show you what I'm creating. Stay crafty. Bye-bye.